Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I almost can guarantee you will go bananas for this banana bag from oJoking. I bought this banana bag because I have smoothies every day, and if you're a smoothie lover, then you know that you need to have a frozen banana for your smoothies. This bag is perfect. The bag on the inside has a non-aluminum foil lining, so the bananas never get freezer burn. The bananas stay nice and safe and secure in the bag, and it's a really good size, and it's soft on the outside, so you could fold it over if you need to, so that you have enough room in your freezer. The banana bag is bright yellow, so it's really easy to find in my freezer because that's literally something that I look for every day. I also like the bag because it's completely washable, so I know that it's reusable and it's going to continue to keep my bananas safe and ready for me to eat in the freezer. If you are bananas for bananas like me, then you really need to check out this banana bag. It is so worth it, and it's such a great saver for all of your frozen bananas. And that's just my point of view.